In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com with Zapier. This integration can significantly enhance your workflow by automating tasks between Monday.com and your other favorite apps supported by Zapier. Let's dive into the steps to get this set up. First, start off by heading to your Zapier dashboard. If you're familiar with Zapier, you know it's the platform where magical automations happen. Look for the button that says Create Zap and click on it. This action will initiate the process of setting up a new automated workflow, known as a Zap. Next, in the Trigger app field, you'll want to type in Monday.com and select it from the options that appear. This step sets Monday.com as the starting point or trigger for your automation. After choosing Monday.com, you'll need to sign in to your Monday.com account. A pop-up will appear asking for an API token. This is crucial for authenticating your Monday.com account with Zapier. Now, to locate your API token on Monday.com, log into your account. Go to the bottom left corner where your profile picture is located, click on it, and navigate to Admin and then API. Once there, you'll find your API v2 token. Copy this token and paste it into the authentication field in Zapier. After doing this, click Continue. You should now see a notification that says you're connected, which confirms that everything has been set up correctly. With the connection established, it's time to set up your trigger. In Zapier, a trigger is the event that sets off your automation. For Monday.com, triggers could include the creation of a new item on a board, a change in an item status, a column value update, or even when a new comment is added. For our example, let's choose when a new item is created in Monday.com as our trigger event. After selecting your trigger event, connect your Monday.com account if prompted again, and then select the specific board and group from which you want the trigger to originate. This level of specificity ensures your automation only runs under the right conditions. Hit Test Trigger to see Zapier pull in a sample item from Monday.com. This test ensures everything is working as planned. Before you turn on your Zap, it's crucial to test it with the sample data. Click Test Action to see Zapier execute the action tied to your trigger. Verify if this action is reflected in your target app, such as a message being sent or a row being created. If everything checks out, you're good to go. Finally, if you're satisfied with how everything is running, the last step is to activate your Zap. By clicking Turn on Zap, you're telling Zapier to start monitoring Monday.com for the trigger you specified and perform your desired action whenever the trigger occurs. Now you've successfully connected Monday.com to Zapier, automating parts of your workflow seamlessly. Enjoy the efficiency.